Welcome to our in-depth guide on how to review tags on your posts on Facebook using the Android app. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture displayed on the screen. Next, tap on the three dots icon located on your profile page to access additional options. Select Review Posts and Tags from the Options menu to review tags on your posts and manage them effectively. By following these steps, you can stay informed and in control of the tags on your posts on Facebook, ensuring your timeline reflects your preferences and interests. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to review tags on your posts on Facebook using the Android app. Stay engaged and manage the tags on your posts effectively by utilizing the review feature to maintain a positive online presence. Enjoy a more personalized and curated experience on Facebook by reviewing and controlling the tags on your posts to ensure they align with your preferences.